Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a traditional vanilla latte. So a lot of people have been asking me to make more coffee videos, so let's get started. We're going to be making it with a little less vanilla syrup because I like my coffee a little less sweet. If you like it sweeter, then just go ahead and throw some extra vanilla syrup. First begin by adding 8 ounces of milk. Sometimes I like to do half milk, either half and half or heavy whipping cream, whichever you'd like. Sometimes it adds for a nice thickness to the coffee. Then you add 3 pumps of vanilla, which is the equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Begin mixing. Then start adding the ice. I like to add the ice before I put the coffee in so that it adds that nice pretty look of the separation between the coffee and the milk. But if you would like, it doesn't really matter. It can be done either way, and you leave a little bit extra room for the coffee. Then begin pouring the coffee over the milk lightly so you get that pretty look. Then you can add ice, the extra ice if you'd like or not. And enjoy!